Welcome to the tutorial video for cloud storage setup. Newer Alibi QVR recorders can be configured to automatically upload video and picture files from your cameras to a cloud service. You can use either of three cloud services: Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Your files will then be available from anywhere through an internet connection. Video files uploaded to the cloud are at the substream resolution of the camera and are stored in MP4 format. They are marked in folders with the time, date, and camera information. Note that when configuring cloud storage, the video streams you send to the cloud use network bandwidth, which can affect your remote access to the recorder. This video tutorial includes 4 sections. Section 1. Setting up a cloud storage account. To use Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, you must first set up an account on the service. For example, we'll show you how to set up an account on Google Drive. Section 2. Configure your recorder for cloud storage, which is very easy to do. We'll use the Google Drive account we set up in the first section as an example. Section 3. Configure the recorder to send files to the cloud. In our example, we configured the recorder to send motion detection event pictures to the cloud. Similarly, you can configure the recorder to upload video or send video of events. Section 4. Downloading uploads from our Google Drive service account. Let's get started. Each of the 3 cloud storage services that your Alibi recorder supports provides a set amount of free storage, and they have competitively priced subscription plans for additional storage. Note that picture uploads are relatively small compared to continuous video file uploads and video files of events, which can quickly fill your storage space. Setting up a cloud storage account on each of the cloud services is very similar. To set up a Google Drive account, open a web browser and go to drive.google.com. Google prefers that you use the Google Chrome browser to access their web services, but Internet Explorer does work okay here. If you don't have a Google Drive account, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. In the Create Your Google Account screen, enter your first name, last name, account username, and then complete the rest of the required entries. That's it. Next, use Microsoft Internet Explorer to log into your recorder. In the Live View screen, click Configuration. When the configuration screen opens, click the Network link in the left frame, and then click Basic Settings if necessary. Select the TCP/IP tab. In this menu, verify that your recorder is set up correctly for your network and that the primary and secondary DNS server fields have valid DNS entries. Notice here that this recorder is configured to use the DNS settings of its IPv4 gateway device, but I'll configure them with the 2 Google DNS server IP addresses, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click Save to continue. Click the Storage link in the left frame. Select Storage Management, and then the Cloud Storage tab. In this menu, click the Enable Cloud Storage box to check it. Open the Cloud Type drop-down menu and select your cloud storage service. For the example in this video, select Google Drive. Click Get. This will make a request to get an authorization code from Google Drive. Sign into the cloud storage account you set up. Google Drive and Dropbox will automatically present an authorization code. Microsoft OneDrive accounts return their authorization code in the address bar. In our example, Google presents the authorization code shown here. Select and then copy this code. Click the Configuration tab in your browser to return to the Recorder Cloud Storage menu, and then paste the code into the Authorization Code field. Open the Channel Number drop-down list and select a camera you want to use for cloud storage. Here I picked Analog Camera 1. Since in this example we're capturing event data, click the Enable Event Upload box to check it. If you want to use this configuration with other cameras connected to your recorder, click the Copy To button. Then select the other cameras you want to use cloud storage with. Click Save. A Save Succeeded message should appear in the lower right corner. This completes the setup for your recorder for cloud storage. To configure your recorder to send motion detection event capture files to the cloud, open the storage schedule for Analog Camera 1. Notice that it is configured for continuous recording. Make sure the Enable box is checked. To change to event recording for our example, open the Mode drop-down box and select Event. Click Delete All to clear the schedule. To set the schedule for 24/7 event mode, drag the mouse cursor across one of the day timelines from 0 to 24. The field should show a purple bar, indicating event recording. Click the icon that appears at the end of the bar, then click Select All in the pop-up window and click OK to select it. To save video clips to the cloud, click the Advance button, open the Stream Type drop-down list and select Double Stream. This will enable recording of both mainstream video and substream video to the hard drive. Substream video can then be sent to the cloud. Click OK to select it. Click Save to retain your settings. Click the Event link in the left frame, and then click Basic Event. For motion detection setup, click the Motion tab at the top. Open the Channel Number drop-down list and select the camera you want to configure. Here I selected Analog Camera 1. Check the Enable box or boxes for the motion detection type you want. Configure the detection area as needed, and then click the Arming Schedule tab. Ensure the schedule is set up properly, and then click Linkage Method. In this menu, make sure the Upload Pictures to Cloud box is checked. Click Save to retain your settings. Configure the other cameras you selected on the Cloud Storage menu. Log into your cloud service. Inside Google Drive, you can watch the MP4 files you uploaded by right-clicking on the file name and selecting Preview. However, you cannot directly open JPEG files. To see them, right-click on a JPEG file name, select Download, save it to your computer, and then open it. When using a cloud service, be aware that your Alibi system cannot manage the files it uploaded to the cloud. However, most services issue warnings when your storage space is almost full and provide tools for downloading and deleting files, sharing folders, and other features. This concludes the tutorial video for cloud storage setup.